Let's check what we got here. Module's on top of this frame rail. Not in the damn tires in the way. Wipe all the tires. All this dirt off it. I don't want to disturb it too much. I might as well just check it now. Because usually you disturb it, it can start working on you. And then you're pissed off because it starts working. I need pin 6 is yellow and violet, and pin 8 is white and brown. Here's a pin. That one right there. There's always power going to this, constant power going to this thing. Let me turn on this fuel pump here, because the relay's on from the key, and this right here would actually command the pump on. So, on. And she's not coming on. No output. Let's make sure we have input, because we have no output, that's for sure. All right, we should have pin 1, violet and green. All right, if we have the power here, we're making a call. It needs a pump. We'll tap on it and see if we can get it to work. But right now, kind of what we are suspicious we're going into. Wiring looks fine. See an issue to that. Oh, there's power. I know it's not loaded, but I'll put some kind of load on it real fast. I'm confident we're good here because we have no output, which tells me there's a bigger problem. I'm gonna see this light up. All right, see that lighting up? It's not a huge load. It's only about 500 milliamps, but it tells me it can at least carry that. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the output and I'm gonna bang on this and see if we can get this thing to send some fuel out. This is your output wire right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be ground going into it. Our ground going in looks good. I'm going to beat. We'll have the pump come on and everything if this works. I'm gonna get me a wrench or a screwdriver. I'm gonna beat on it. Oh, yeah, probably a wrench. Yeah, here we go. Okay. There it goes. See it? See it? You hear the pump? Listen to it. Brrr. That's what it was. So 100% confirmation, no doubt about it. She needs a fuel pump control module.